Good afternoon, viewers. Today again we are at a beautiful property. This is actually a row villa development which is located just before the airport, all in place. Pretty good connectivity towards the city center via the NH. This is located at basically at the airport road. So we are giving you an exclusive preview of a 3-bedroom row villa. So this is how you drive in. The work is all happening and this would be ready in another 6 months of time. So this is the dedicated parking space what you get in front of the villa in place, and the walk space. This is how you enter into the villa property, and a bit of fire area here. Then you enter into the living space here. So you've got a cozy living area. So you can place a L-shaped sofa with a TV on the wall there. This is how you go to the level 1. But the other concept is all about the greenery within the home, and the complete lighting what you see is all of natural lighting. So you don't have to place any lights. So this is the skylight concept. The other beauty about this development is the greenery and the skylight in place. So this is the space for your dining area, and the other beauty is you get a backyard garden space, and this entire space is the kitchen area here. The garden within the property there, and the backyard garden. This by default you get with every unit in here. So this is a private garden, complete the garden within the home, and at the ground level you've got a washroom here. So we are heading to level 1 here. So we are heading to level 1 here. And you see the natural lighting everywhere. So at level 1 again you've got a living space, or you can convert this entire space into work from home concept. And again at level 1 you've got a study area on this side, and this is the living room space, and again double height in place. And this is the 1 bedroom which is on level 1. All the flooring is all complete laminated wooden flooring, and the view in there, pretty decent size bedrooms in there, and the space for a walk-in wardrobe, so you don't have to worry about the wardrobe eating up the space of your bedroom. So you've got a dedicated space there, and the washrooms here. You'll have a sink in the pot area, and that's the shower area there. This is the washroom. And this is the 2nd bedroom on level 1. Again, the entire flooring is of laminated wooden flooring. Spacious room sizes. So there is the TV unit provision, and this entire space is for the bed, and large windows for your lighting and natural lighting and ventilation. And again you've got a space for your wardrobe at this corner end, and this is your washrooms in place. So the shower area here, the pot, and the sink space. Decent spaces. This is the space where you can place a lift if you want. And we are at level 2 in here. So at the level 2 you have again the natural lighting, ventilation all around. Then you enter into the master bedroom, the laminated wooden flooring entirely done in here, with a space for the study space there, and good spacious bedroom, your walk-in wardrobe space, uh, 8 by 6.7 is your walk-in wardrobe space, and this is the washroom. So the sink in here, the commode, and the shower area. Complete space. The other beauty of the master bedroom is you're getting an additional space back here, just behind the wall. So again, this you can convert into a study or office workspace. So you got a ample of space to move around, do things in here. With the master bedroom, you have a deck here. So you have pretty spacious deck. So completely, if you are a garden lover, you'll enjoy this particular property because you've got good space to keep the plants in here. And at level 2, you have the maid's room in place. So this is again, this space is basically used for the utility where you can place the washing machine and everything. So you have a space for a maid in here which can accommodate a decent space. And at this level, you again have a maid's washroom in here, complete, and a place for the clothes to dry in with ample amount of sunlight there. The other beauty of the property is the partition level, because the maid's access is towards that side, and now we are heading towards the terrace area. So we are practically on the level 3 here. So at level 3, the design aesthetics of this development is what you'll love. So you've got a kind of small terrace area here, and then towards this side is the beauty. So you get a good deck space here where you can organize the small parties in and around, accommodate at least 15-20 people, and this is the kind of view what you get in. And this is the space for the sunlight which falls in natural sunlight coming into the home. So that's Embassy. So you would be in the neighborhood of Embassy Boulevard homes starting around 10 crore plus. That's Godrej Avenue. Adjacent to Godrej Avenues, you have Purva Xenium coming up. Then you have Sammy's plots. Assets has its own plotted development in the vicinity, where the plot sizes also starts at around 2,400 square feet, starting at around 1.45 crores for a plot in here. So the community is all elite. So there is a provision, if you don't want this plant space, you can convert it again into a living and dining space. Everybody individual requirement. So for further, if you're looking for a property in Bangalore North, villas, plots and apartments, you can always contact us. PropTech Realty. Thank you.